Hey everybody! So today I'm going to be making an incense burner, and I've mixed up 10 ounces of resin. I've split it into 3 cups. I'm using some white HTV pigment paste for one, and then the second one I have white HTV pigment paste mixed with Let's Resin black pigment paste to make a gray color, and I'm using clear. And I'm starting out with my white, followed by clear, then gray, and then repeating.
Hold tight, we're gonna let go. All night dancing is our goal. So right, I wanna see you throw it down, pick up the crowd. Those lights blind me, I'm floating so high, no one can touch me. I'm vexed to the rhythm, throw it down, I want the crown. Ooh, I'm winning, I won't hold back. Not stop until I'm the best. Nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know we're going right to the top. Move with me, I'll show you how. Floor is yours, reach out to the crowd. Take me by the hand and let's ride. Coming more alive through the night. Playing by the rules, but I'll fight for the crown. I want it now. I can feel it to touch. Nothing gonna stand in my way. Ready, put your bets on the line. Throw it down. I want the crown. Nothing to lose. I'm gonna put my heart into you. Move with me, I'll show you too. Floor is yours, step up to the tune. Baby, we can win this for us. I know we're going right to the top. Move with me, I'll show you how. Floor is yours, reach out to the crowd. Be your feet, move them to the beat, and just watch me. Stop it now till you reach your goal. Do you believe? I'm never gonna give up, we're close. Let it go inside. Watch me now, I'll take back the crown. Oh, take back the crown.
Okay, so I have this incense burner that I made. It's been a day, so I made this last night. Seems to be cured, so let's see how it turned out. Let's see. Ooh. Let's see, I gotta see the head. Oh, the head doesn't want to come out. So it's got that little pointy thing in there. Alright. I made this with the Tea Expert. Ooh. Oh, how nice. Wow. That came out nice. That is like marbled finish. How beautiful. I love it. Cool. It's the bottom, sides. So basically you put the incense burner here and then it just goes out and it drops in there. But that is, that's pretty awesome. I'm happy with how this came out. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. And if you like this video and want to see more like it, then please like and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.